Okay, here's what's for dinner tonight. I made some barbecue chicken tenders, just baked in the oven.
Those are some big tenders. Judging from this clip alone, you can see how much butter she put on them. The one time she doesn't eat coated and deep fried tenders, she has to drown them in butter. It's a shame.
Those look real nice. And I made my egg fried rice with some pepper and onion that I love. All right, let's eat. Tonight's dinner, barbecue chicken in the oven and my egg fried rice.
Another wasted opportunity to load up your meal with healthy veggies. A couple of chunks of paprika disguised in a mountain of rice and covered with sugary hot sauce is neither healthy or tasty.
And I have a little dish of sour yogurt. And to start this breaking of the fast, this iftar, we're gonna have some water. Bismillah.
Alright, you can stop the acting. We all know you're not breaking any kind of fast here. Save the moans for anime sucks.
Okay, let's dig in to this chicken. I know I'm eating it with a spoon because that's how I like to eat my rice. So I'll probably eat my chicken with my fingers, I don't know.
That's gotta be the toughest chicken tender I've seen in my life. You would think someone that has the balls to call themselves Foodie Beauty would know a thing or two about cooking. I guess her whole name was meant to be ironic.
Some yogurt. Beauty bite. This rice. So, I was craving a home-cooked meal tonight for iftar. Oh, very delicious. I love this rice. Veggies and eggs. It's so good.
Worst part about this meal is that she probably thinks she's being a healthy queen right now. I bet you there's a Dunkin' Donuts reward under that table waiting for her.
Very high in protein with the yogurt, the chicken breast, the egg, which will help offset the carbs. In case you care.
Offset the carbs. Girl, you're eating off a serving platter. If Salo ever wanted to do her a favor, he would throw it out and replace it with human-sized plates. Not even dinner plates, breakfast plates. Too bad he couldn't care less about her, so we'll never see that happen in a million years.
My cat is beezing. The chicken tastes like barbecued, like smoky.
Maybe because you nearly cremated the damn thing. Seriously, you can hear the fibers like you're tearing textile apart. Poor chicken had its life cut short for this.
I think it's because the barbecue sauce, but also near the end of cooking, I put it on high on the broiler. I'll drink this whole thing. I probably drink about 3 of those a day, maybe more. I love water. I just bought a big bag of frozen tenders. The rice is a Calrose rice, and it has egg, 2 small eggs, orange pepper, onion, a bit of soy sauce, and like 2 hot sauces.
Of course, yogurt, barbecue sauce, soy sauce, butter and sweet hot sauce. All the classics for an authentic fried rice. I guess these are the things you come up with after picking up and smoking random pipes off the ground.
That's it. And the chicken just has barbecue sauce, salt and pepper. That's it. Nothing exciting. It's been a while I haven't had yogurt with my meal, huh? Man. It's hard to cover my sideburns. Do any of you women have sideburns? I don't know, it's like normal? Or do you guys shave them? Like, let me know if you guys shave your sideburns. I'm always torn what to do. Like, should I shave them or no? Chicken is so good. I was so hungry. I don't feel very talkative right now. I just wanted to share what I'm having for dinner with you to break my fast. We had grilled cheese and Maggi soup for suhoor. I think during Ramadan, the restaurants, like, I don't know if they have different hours, like some businesses do, but sometimes restaurants I think will stay open later because of suhoor. So during non-Ramadan days, if you go out at 4 a.m. on a weeknight, the streets around here probably will be dead, but around 3:30, it'll probably be busy because people are like, you know, going to get something, going to get suhoor, which is the breakfast, the meal before fasting starts. And fasting starts after Fajr, or at Fajr. When you hear the call to prayer for Fajr, you have to stop eating or drinking. And when you hear the warning, you chug a bunch of water. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna try to maybe go live later after Tarawih. Stay tuned for that. Might go out and get something like maybe for sahur, we'll see. Maybe right before sahur. I have to edit this video, then I have to clean up from supper dishes and shower, look presentable because I look tired. Look at my bags have bags under my eyes because I find this sleep pattern I have right now is really messing with me. So as usual. Anyways, thank you for having dinner with me, guys. Just something simple but so delicious and healthy and doesn't make me feel like after. Literally. Anyways, I guess that's it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.